Math Topic 1 Actual Test. Good luck. Question number 1. What is the value of 3 in this number? Is that 3 in the 30 million place, 3 million place, 3 billion place, or 300 billion place? A, B, C, or D? Question 2. In 2000, the total population of the world was about 6,080,000,000 people. What is this number in standard form? So this number that I just read to you, what does it look like in standard form with actual numbers? Is it A, B, C, or D? Again, 6,080,000,000 people. Number 3. What is the value of the underlying digit in the number 57,035,189? So using your place values, where does that 7 fall? Is it at 7 billion, 7,000, 7, or 7 million for number 3? Number 4. Which number is 10 million less than 280,833,163? Which number is 10 million less than 280,833,163? You've got choice A, B, C, or D. Number 5. What number do these place value blocks show? Again, these are all 1,000 cubes, and these are all 10 cubes. So what does this picture show? Again, each cube represents a number, a piece. So what is that showing? Is it 2,300, 2003, 2030, or 2033? Again, these show 1,000, these show 10. Number 6, look at the problem below. 987,442,071 and 987,442,710. Which of these two numbers is greater? Which symbol goes in this box or this circle? Is it the greater than, less than, equal, or plus sign? Which of these two numbers is greater? Number 7. Which of the following numbers is greater than 734,433? So which of these numbers is actually greater or bigger than this number? A, B, C, or D? Number 8. Which C has the least area? Which C has the least area for question 8? You've got the Bering Sea, Caribbean Sea, Mediterranean Sea, and South China Sea. So which one of these has the smallest area? Is it the Bering Sea, Caribbean Sea, Mediterranean Sea, or South China Sea? Which one of these has the least area? Number 9. The table shows the years in which Ludwig van Beethoven composed some popular works. According to this table, which of these works was composed 5th? So you've got the Ninth Symphony in 1824, Fidelio in 1804, Pastoral Symphony in 1807, Moonlight Sonata in 1801, and Piano Sonata in E flat in 1796. So when you put these in order, which one was composed 5th? A, B, C, or D? Number 10. Which sea has the least area? The Bering Sea, Caribbean Sea, Mediterranean Sea, or South China Sea? Which of these has the smallest area? Number 11. Which of the one of the fastest records winning average speeds in the Indianapolis 500 auto race was 191 and 63 hundredths miles per hour? What is the value of the 3 in that speed? So on 191.63, what's the value of that? Is that 3 tenths, 3 hundredths, 3 tenths, 3 hundredths? A, B, C, or D? Number 12. What is the value of the underlying digit in this number? What's the value of it? Is it A, B, C, or D? Number 13. After her walk, Raina drank 1 600 liters of water. Which decimal is equivalent to 1 600? So which of these numbers is equal to this number? Number 14. Which decimal is equivalent to 90 hundredths? So which of these numbers is equivalent to 90 hundredths? Is it A, 90, B, 9, C, 9 hundredths, or D, 9 tenths? Good luck. Number 15. What is the number 8 and 28 thousandths written in standard form? What is the number 8 and 28 thousandths written in standard form? Is it A, B, C, or D? Number 16. The following table shows the times of 4 students who ran the 50-yard dash in their physical education class. The students are listed in alphabetical order. Who ran the dash in the longest time? So who got last place? Is it Benito with this time, Denjaro with this time, and Gilberto with this time, or Tate with this time? Again, Benito had 7 and 365 thousandths seconds. Denjaro had 7 and 91 thousandths seconds. Gilberto had 7 and 344 thousandths. And Tate had 7 and 126 thousandths. Question 17. Order the numbers from greatest to least. Again, which numbers are in order from greatest to least? So you have 27 and 41 thousandths, 27 and 14 thousandths, 27 and 104 thousandths, and 27 and 410 thousandths. Which choice, A, B, C, or D, puts these numbers in order from biggest to least? Number 18. In 1999, the U.S. government owned 261 and 67 hundredths million ounces of gold. In 2000, the government owned 261 and 61 hundredths million ounces. In 2002, the government owned 262 million ounces. In 2003, the government owned 261 and 55 hundredths million ounces. What is the weight of the gold reserve in order from greatest to least? So you have to put these numbers, the 261 and 67 hundredths, 261 and 61 hundredths, 262 and 261 and 55 hundredths million ounces of gold in order from biggest to smallest. A, B, C, or D. Number 19. The the table shows some of the largest or longest long jumps made by U.S. athletes. Which athlete's long jump was the longest? So these tables shows some famous athletes and their long jumps and the year that they did it. Which athlete's jump was the longest? Okay, so you've got Bob Beamon with this number, Carl Lewis with this number, Mike Powell with this number, or Eric Walder with this number. Who jumped the longest? And number 20. The following table shows the times of 4 students who ran the 50-yard dash in their physical education class. The students are listed in alphabetical order. Who ran the dash in the shortest time now? Before it was the longest time, now it's the shortest time. Who ran the race the fastest? Is it Tate, Gilberto, Benito, or Gengiro? A, B, C, or D? And the last question, question 21. This table shows the amount of gasoline in Mr. Norman's car uses after each mile he drives on a highway. If the pattern continues, how much gasoline will the car use after going 7 miles? So here's the pattern. In mile 1, he used 4 hundredths. Mile 2, he used 8 hundredths. Mile 3, he used 12 hundredths. Mile 4, he used 16 hundredths. They want to know at mile 7, which is down here, how many hundredths of a gallon of gas will he use? Will it be 24 hundredths gallons, 28 hundredths gallons, 32 hundredths gallons, or 3,600 gallons? Okay. Good luck.